Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. Just hold your device home screen and click here to shortcuts. Now we can see all the available applications with widgets we can add. That can be the contacts app. We can see here there's 3 different widgets: the Google Drive, Gmail app, launcher, maps, or settings. For example, in maps you can add 4 different widgets if you want. For example, let's use the contacts. We can use here the regular contact, the direct dial, and the direct message. For example, let's use the regular one. Just hold it and drag it to the screen where you want to add it. We can create the new screen with this widgets, that's not a problem. We should here choose a contact. Okay, we have no contacts unfortunately, so let's use another one. We can use the settings. Just hold. Okay, for example, let's use here the battery settings. So we can change it by this way. We can just move it between the screens. We can create the new screen with a widget, and also we can turn it back if you want. So when you click here, you will open just directly the battery settings. So you just have you just shouldn't go here. After that, here just click here once on the shortcuts and you'll open the battery settings. And if you want to remove this widget, just hold it and drag it here to the right upper corner, the remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.